guys, today I wanted to make a review on my favorite coloring markers. These are alcohol markers and they are the Ohuhu brand. These are the Honolulu B. So inside there is 216 different colors. The brush tips, because it comes with dual ended, so two. It has a brush and a fine tip, and on the side it comes with a little thing you can have to hold it. I just take it off because I don't take it around with me too much. I just like to carry it like this from up here. But now I'm going to show you it inside. I have been coloring since February and I use these literally every single day. They are my favorite. I actually love them so much. I have a whole nother 200 right here, but this is the fine and chisel. So I definitely love my Ohuhu markers. So it comes first with a swatch card. Here are all the colors. I organize them by color. You can organize them by number because basically, I can show you. There's a number, so G49. Let's see if it focuses. And then this is sour apple. And right here, you can just look for it, and it came with this empty, and I just filled it in so I know what colors I'm grabbing. This is all of the colors. You can see there is plenty of colors. I'm going to show you what else comes inside. So it comes with this, which it's just about the markers, and there's also like the colors on here as well. Here you go. And yeah, so it comes with this little book, and then it does come with a protectant sheet, which I keep in here. I'm going to show you it. I use them all of the time because alcohol markers do bleed, so you need to have something underneath. I normally use these, and if they get dirty, you can just use some rubbing alcohol and wipe it off, and it comes off. I've had this one for like a really long time because I've also had these, and you can see it literally looks brand new. So yeah, it comes with one of these, and this is everything that comes in, obviously, with the markers. I'm going to show you some of the coloring books that I've colored these markers with. I'm sure you guys all know the trends of the Coco Wayo. I also bought this one yesterday. I actually just finished a page. This is what it looks like with the markers. I'm not like a professional coloring person. I just do it for fun. So you can see the shading. It's very easy to blend with these markers. I mean, it's just so easy. I did this one. You can see it's just super nice pictures, and these are just so much better quality. I really just love these markers. So if you're looking for any markers to color with, you want to hop on the trend. I know on TikTok these are going so viral right now, like they're at their peak moment right now, then I would definitely recommend getting these because these are my pride and joy. I'm going to quickly show you how these write. So all I do is I take a notebook. I'm going to take my protective sheet underneath, go like this, and I'm just going to show you how they write. So let's choose a random thing to blend. So let's say I want to do raspberry, and let's do rose pink. Rose pink is a very popular color. So this is what the markers look like. They have a fine tip and a brush tip. So I normally use the brush tip for bigger areas because it's fast. I can use it for small areas too, or for strokes, for grass, anything really. And then I use the fine tip for more detailed areas. So I'm going to take the brush tip and just show you how they blend. So I'm just going to go like this. You can see, very vibrant. There's no streaks at all. They blend so seamlessly as well. I'm about to show you. And you don't need to be like a professional artist to blend these colors. You just go back and forth and you will see that they blend very seamlessly. So here I just blended them. See? And it's blended. After a while, it will become even more blended once it sits. It's just a little bit more, you can see a little bit more harshly, but I can even show you in like 30 seconds. It's just gonna look so much better. The colors are also a little darker when you first put it on, but then they'll turn lighter once they dry up. I just wanted to note that, but I'll be back in like 20 seconds to show you how it really looks. Okay, it's been like 20 seconds. As you can see, the blend is now seamless. It looks super nice. So if you're looking, again, alcohol markers, seamless blend. They're very like strong. There's no streaks. It's vibrant. And you want to hop on the trend. These are going insane right now on TikTok and YouTube. I feel like my whole For You page is people getting these. And you want to try it like everyone else, then I would definitely recommend trying these.